This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have what you need. Pick one system and commit. Start by creating a front page or note called Inbox. That's your capture zone. Then make 3 consistent tags or categories so every new note fits somewhere. Once done, capture 5-10 minutes of recent ideas, tasks, facts, references. Make sure to label each with date and tag. This is your searchable baseline. Don't overthink format. The priority is capture and consistent tagging to prevent lost thoughts. Now turn capture into structure. Process the inbox by converting 1 to 2 items into evergreen notes that state a single idea. Use links or backlinks to connect related notes. This builds a small network. Next, condense longer entries into a one-line takeaway placed at the top. This speeds later review. As you add detail, split notes that cover multiple ideas. Make sure to add 1-3 tags and a short title so future searches surface the right note immediately. Finish by making your notes actionable. Pick one deliverable, an outline, study sheet, or checklist, and build it from linked notes. Schedule a weekly 10-20 minute review to prune duplicates, relink items, and update tags. This keeps the system fresh. If you can't find something, search by tag, then check recent edits and the inbox. Chances are it's mistagged. Make sure to export or back up critical notes regularly so a sync error doesn't erase months of work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.